Welcome to the course. First thing that we should do, we should download Epic Game Launcher. So for that, just go to Google and search for Epic Game Launcher. And click on the first thing that pop up. Download the Epic Game Launcher. And after that, go to the page. You can download it for Windows and you can have it for Mac OS as well. Download it and install it. Installing it is easy. When you install it, open it, and you will go to this page. And the important thing in here, you should go to Unreal Engine in here. And when you go to this tab in here, go to Library tab, and in here you can download your version of Unreal Engine. Right now I did download 5.0.3 and 4.26.2, but we are using 5 version. So for installing it, you can go to this plus in here, click on it, and it will open up this card. And you can click in here to select your version that you want to download. So for example, in here, if I want to download version 4.27.2, I can just click it and hit install, and it will be downloaded. Right now there is a preview version in here that has some bugs, so that's why I'm gonna use the version 5.0.3. There won't be any major changes, but in the version 5.1.0 it will have some bugs because it is in preview modes now, right? So just close this and just download this version that I'm using. When you learn this, everything will be the same in all Unreal Engine 5 version. When you install it and download it, click on launch. And when you launch it, you will go to this page in here. And in here you can see the recent project, games template that you can create your game from, and there is one for film, architecture, and automotive. The one that we need for now is the games, and you can see there is some of them in here: blank, first person, third person, top down, vehicle, handheld, AR, and virtual reality. And the one that we want to create right now, because it's easier to learn from, is the third person. So click on third person, and in here click on browse for folder. Where you want to store your project, click in here, and I want to put it on my drive D project, Unreal Engine, and in here I want to create another folder. In here I want to call it first game. Select it and select the folder, and in here it will tell you please choose a project name, and I want to call it again first game, or whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. And after that you can see in here you have an option to use Blueprint or C++. Right now I want to use Blueprint because it's easier to start with. And the target platform, it can be mobile or desktop. Desktop means macOS, Windows, and Linux. And mobile, it means iOS and Android, right? After that, the quality preset. If you're gonna create your game for Windows and desktop, you can use maximum, but if you want it for mobile, choose scalable. Right now, because we are learning Unreal Engine 5, we should use maximum. Don't worry about the scalable. And next thing is starter content. And what is a starter content? It will give us some material, textures, and characters and meshes. And I will talk about all of them. What is the materials, what is textures, what is meshes, and all of that. Don't worry about it. Just click on starter content to have it in your project, and you don't need ray tracing for now. And after that you can click on create, and it will create your first project in Unreal Engine 5.